the residential rent is now exempt from VAT. So therefore, the taxpayers that were, the only business was residential income, they will deregister. They will want to deregister. As soon as they deregister, it will trigger tax for the residual, the value of value of properties, whatever they have, under the Section 3 of the VAT decree. I'm just wondering whether there's an amendment to that.
Yeah, I think what we have done, we have simply reversed that particular policy. The amendment that was brought in at the time when the VAT was imposed, we have simply reversed that particular provision. So in effect, what would happen is when this particular VAT is not going to be imposed on the properties, so the taxpayer will not be required to register and to charge VAT. And of course, it's a process of the normal deregistration rule that applies to any taxpayer. And what we have done for this particular case, because our laws had provided for the provision where the taxpayers can actually get refunds, like the building is under construction, but it hasn't been given to tenants. So our laws were amended to allow the business to claim all the refunds. So what we'll do as part of this particular policy, we're not going to go back and try to claw back all the refunds that was given. So the standard rule is that when somebody is getting deregistered, so the taxpayer has to make a final VAT return and has to declare all the asset and so forth. But in this case, like the business is still going to exist, so we are not going to go back and ask for the refund that was already given to the taxpayer.
That